Here's a simple side hustle that anyone can start in 2023, and the best part is you don't even have to show your face. Head over to ChatGPT and then you're gonna ask it to write 30 quotes about mental health. You can do any topic here, but for the sake of this example, I'm just gonna go with mental health. Let ChatGPT do its magic, and in 30 seconds you're gonna have 30 quotes. Next, go to canva.com and then choose your story. It's gonna pull up a lot of templates. In the template section, type in quotes and then find a template that you like. Here's one that I like and I'm gonna choose for this example. Next, head over back to ChatGPT and copy the first one. Then you're gonna paste the first quote right here. So it's gonna look something like this. Then you're going to duplicate the page and you're gonna do the exact same thing for the other 29. After you start posting daily and gain followers, head over to clickbank.com. Once you get to clickbank.com, go ahead and sign up for free. Once you're inside ClickBank, go to affiliate marketplace, find a product in this niche. Search a product related to mental health. Then you want to choose a product. For this example, I'm gonna go with this product for sleep and relaxation. You can see the average commission for this product is $88. I will promote this product and get my affiliate link by hitting this button. I'm gonna take my affiliate link, I'm gonna put it right here in my profile, and whenever somebody clicks on this link and purchases this product, I get paid a commission. Like and follow for more side hustles like this, and if you would like to get my free beginner's guide that will teach you exactly how this is done and make a full-time income, comment info and I will reach out to you.